Linjani bafundi baka grade 5 ugwalo lesihlanu lamhlanje sizokuba lesifundo sesiNdebele anithi.
Yes, ma'am.
Lamhlanje Sean sifuna ukwenza impindamuva esithi revision. Want to do a revision, okay? Next week we are writing exams, so I want us to revise, okay? So I'm going to be sending work for you that is on revision. I want us to revise everything that we have learned in Ndebele. I hope within the 30 minutes we're going to be able to do that, okay? Ngakho-ke esikutshoyo ukuthi lamhlanje sifuna ukwenza impindamuva. Sifuna ukukhangela konke esakufundayo ukuze sincedisana ngithi sincedisane sikhumbuzane ukuthi kanje sake safunda ngani ukwenzela ukuthi nxa sesibhala-ke imihloliso yethu ngeviki elizayo sizobe sisenelisa ukuthi siphendule imibuzo angithi ye. Okokuqala sifuna ukukhuluma ukuthi sithini lapha bhala Sean sithini lapha ngabantu abanjani laba. Sabona ke Mel?
Sawubona.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngibona ngathi ulahlekile Mel angithi lesi isifundo sabo grade 5 angithi hayi ulahlekile sama futhi ukungena ngale ku Mrs Daniel anjo. Ye Sean lamhlanje sifuna ukukhangela ukuthi sithini lapha okay. Number 1 sithi umuntu olonyawo. Unyawo kuyini Sean ngesikhiwo? Unyawo kuyini unyawo?
Legs.
Legs anti. So nxa singathi umuntu ulonyawo, inyawo ngezani Sean?
Walking.
Walking angithi inyawo ngezokuhamba. So umuntu singathi ulonyawo uyabe engumuntu othanda ukuhamba. Angithi ngitheni Sean umuntu olonyawo umuntu othandani?
Ukuhamba.
Uthanda ukuhamba. Lamhlanje uzobhala ama notes phansi sifuna ukuthi sibe silokhu sikhanyela konke angithi okwesibili ulesandla. Umuntu kungathiwa ulesandla uyabe engumuntu onjani. Uyakwazi Sean isandla kuyini ngesikhiwa Sean? Ngesilungu
A hand.
Hand kanti nxa kungathiwa umuntu ulesandla batsho ukuthi uthanda ukutshontsha. Umuntu lo uthanda ukutshontsha angithi nxa ungathiwa ulesandla angithi uyakuthatha ukuzwile Sean?
Yes, ma'am.
Okulandelayo gala sifuba. Gala sifuba. Isifuba kuyini Sean? Sikhanyela umzimba wakho, your body part. Isifuba. What is this?
The heart.
No, not the heart. Yes,
The chest.
The chest. Good. So now sisithi gala sifula, we're saying this person does not have a chest. So when we are saying that, we're trying to say this person cannot keep secrets, okay? Ukuthi nxa umuntu ongalasifuba kusho ukuthi kagcini imfihlo. Kagcini ini Sean?
Imfihlo.
Kagcini imfihlo. Gala sifuba. Siyaqhubeka njalo Sean. Ule minwe. Kuyini iminwe Sean? Kuyini iminwe? Iminwe ngesikhiwa kuyini iminwe?
The nose.
Iminwe?
A hand. Fingers.
Yes, your fingers. So when we say ule minwe, and when we say this person has fingers, we're trying to say everything that this person does, they do it very neatly and very well. Can you see how good you have a good handwriting Sean, right? NgesiNdebele sithi usho ule minwe angithi uthi ukuthi yonke into uSean ayenzayo ngezandla zakhe uyenza ibenhle. Welcome Michaela.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And how are you?
Fine ma'am.
Lamhlanje silesifundo sesiNdebele. We are doing a revision, okay? We just want to revise and revise everything we've done in Ndebele. Okay, we want to revise so that when next week comes, you are well equipped with some of these things, okay? So we want to just recap and revise. We are talking about ukuthi ngabantu abanjani laba. Okay, sometimes in Ndebele we can use some certain body parts to describe the character of the person, okay? We can use certain body parts to describe the character of the person. Nxa singathi ulesandla, angithi wonke umuntu ulesandla. Kodwa nxa sithi ulesandla sisho ukuthi umuntu lo uyatshontsha, meaning that this person loves to steal. It's a thief. When someone says ulesandla, uyabezama ukuthi wena uyatshontsha, angithi uyatshontsha, angithi yes, it's a thief. Nxa sisithi gala sifuba, isifuba indebele in English kuyini shona isifuba? Please tell me, Kayla. Isifuba kuyini in English?
Pardon?
Gala sifuba. Isifuba, do you know, Michaela, isifuba in English?
No, ma'am.
What is this that I'm touching here?
A scarf.
Sorry? Yes, I'm touching my scarf, but what is behind the scarf? We said we are using body parts to explain characters, right? So we are saying gala sifuba. Isifuba is here. What is isifuba? What is
Your
here?
heart.
Not your heart. Your heart is inside. Your heart is inside, is covered by a. Your heart is covered by what? Start with the C.
Your flesh. Your skin.
Yes, your chest. So when we say gala sifuba, we are saying this person has no chest. That's what we are saying. So when you hear someone saying Michaela gala sifuba, we are saying that Michaela cannot keep secrets. Okay. Kagcini imfihlo. What did I say?
You said that I cannot keep secrets.
Yes, you cannot keep secrets. So which we are saying gala sifuba. So if it comes in an exam, you can relate and remember that isifuba is your chest. So when we say that Michaela gala sifuba, we are trying to say that Michaela cannot keep secrets. Do you understand that one?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now we are going to uleminwe. Uleminwe. Iminwe. What is iminwe in English? Iminwe in English. These. What are these?
Fingers.
Fingers. Right? So when we say Michaela is fingers, in the way we are saying uleminwe, we are saying that whatever that you do, Michaela, with your hands, you do it nicely and well. For example, have you ever seen those people who knit, who do knittings? They even tailors, you know tailors? Yes. Whatever they do, they make good materials or whatever dresses that they are making, or someone who has a good handwriting, like you, Michaela, you have a good handwriting. So in the way we say, Michaela uleminwe, okay? Because when you are writing, whatever you produce with your fingers is good, okay? It's nice, something attractive. Do you understand? So we say uleminwe, we are talking about, we are saying that this person, whatever that person does with his or her hands, they do it well. Whether it's cooking, whether it's knitting, whether it's writing, they do it well. Did you understand when we say uleminwe?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to the next one, ulekhanda. Ulekhanda. What is ikhanda in English? Ulekhanda. Sorry?
The head.
Your head, right? So when we say Michaela ulekhanda, we are saying that Michaela can think well. You see, Michaela is a big brain. Do you understand? Yes. So umuntu olekhanda umuntu ocabanga izinto ezilohlonzi, and whatever that Michaela thinks is of great value, great addition to the world. Do you understand when we say ulekhanda? Okay, we are not saying the head is big, no, but we are saying whatever that is inside the brain, whatever that is inside the head can do wonders. Do you understand now? When we say ulekhanda.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. We are moving on. Ulomlomo. Ulomlomo. So when you write, please write it down so that you are able to understand in your own ways, okay? Ulomlomo. What is umlomo in English? Umlomo. Ulomlomo. Umlomo in English?
Your mouth.
Your mouth. Good. So when we say Michaela ulomlomo, we are saying that Michaela teases people, okay? Do you know that person who loves to tease other people? Yes, unoqalo. When they come, say, hey, Michaela, you have long ears. Hey, Michaela, you have long ears. Hey, Michaela, you have big eyes. Okay, that person is someone who loves to tease others. Okay, so we are saying whatever that comes out of someone's mouth, they are always teasing other people. Umuntu onomlomo uyaqala, angithi uthanda ukuqala abanye. Angithi, did you understand that part unomlomo? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
And then now we have ulolimi. Ulolimi. Umlomo, your mouth. Ulimi is inside your mouth. What is inside your mouth? Ulimi?
The tongue.
Your tongue. Okay. So when we say ulolimi, now we are saying that this person loves to talk. Do you see those people love to gossip? You know the gossipers. Yes. So there's a difference between ulomlomo, ulolimi. Ulolimi, this person loves to gossip. They are always sitting down talking about other people. Hello, Mama Jude. Hi, Mama Jude.
Hi, Lisa Sam, how are you?
Thank you for joining us. So now you are able to log in Zoom, right?
Yes. So I'll have to get home and teach him how to do it.
Please do, so that tomorrow I want him to be there for the Zoom lesson.
Okay, I'll do that. 11:30 again tomorrow.
11 again. Always have our lessons at 11:30.
Okay, how long do they take?
30 minutes. It's usually 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Sometimes I can say if maybe the grade 6s and the grade 5s have the same topic, they can just come together. They need to be an hour, 11:30 to 12. But I usually communicate. I usually communicate a day.
Okay.
Or yeah,
All right.
but it's usually 11:30 to 12.
Okay, thank you so much. I don't know what to do with the e-classroom. I just don't know anymore.
I'm going to assist you with the classroom.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, thank you. Okay, bye.
Good, thank you for joining us. Okay, so, all right.
Or do I wait or do I go?
If you want to, I'm having a Ndebele lesson. If you want, you can wait or you can go, it's okay.
Okay, I'll wait then because I've got a few minutes.
All right. Sikhuluma ngesifundo sesiNdebele. Sikhulumile Michaela sathi ulolimi. Lathi sesiya yimvu. Umuntu okuthiwa uyimvu. Imvu. Angithi xa sikhuluma ngomuntu okuthiwa uyimvu. Imvu uyimvu esikhiwa Michaela. But you can transfer. Yes, Mama Jude. Yimvu. I didn't hear you.
No, sorry.
Yimvu.
Okay. So, I have to say it.
Yes.
Sorry, Imvu.
Yes. Imvu is a sheep, right? Yes. So today we are doing our revision. Imvu is a sheep. A sheep is a quiet animal. A sheep is a quiet animal. So in Ndebele nxa sithi umuntu uyimvu, sithi ukuthi uthule kakhulu. Angithi umuntu oyimvu umuntu othuleyo kakhulu. Angithi, did you get that, Michaela? Ngakho nxa sichaza sithi umuntu onjani lo, nxa sikhuluma ngomuntu okuthiwa uyimvu. Imvu umuntu othuleyo. Angithi siyaqhubeka njalo. Sile elinye futhi ibala nxa sichasa abantu sithi yinyoka. Inyoka. Silakho ukuthi sisebenzise inyoka yethu. Silakho ukuthi nxa sikhuluma njalo sizama ukuchaza ukuthi umuntu umuntu onjani. Sithi umuntu lo uyinyoka. Angithi nxa sikhangela inyoka ihamba ihuba ngesisu. Angithi iyahuba ngesisu. As the snake, inyoka is a snake, right, Michaela? So nxa inyoka ihamba, it doesn't have feet, it drags itself from place to place. So when you say umuntu oyinyoka, it moves like something that is lazy. And it's very lazy as it moves. So nxa sithi umuntu lo uyinyoka, ulivila. Umuntu olivila. Angithi someone who is lazy. Angithi yinyoka ulivila. Angithi. So we can use that expression when you say umuntu lo uyinyoka, we'll be talking about someone who is lazy. So you can be asking a question, umuntu oyinyoka umuntu onjani, umuntu olivila. Angithi uyabe livila ngoba nxa sikhayela ukuthi inyoka ihamba njani, ihamba itshengisela nxa ihamba iyabe itshengisa ukuthi ilivila, indlela ezihuba ngayo izidonsa iyabe itshengisela ukuthi injani, ilivila. Okulandelayo yisilwane. Nxa sikhuluma ukukhuluma ukuthi umuntu onjani, nxa ungathiwa unaJudy yisilwane, uMrs Mlotshwa yisilwane, uMikhela yisilwane. Mikhela, do you know what is isilwane in English? Isilwane is an animal, a very fierce animal. It eats meat. Yes, what is it, Mikhela?
A lion.
A lion, good. So a lion yisilwane, right? So nxa sisithi umuntu yisilwane, sithi ukuthi umuntu lo uyesabeka. Okay? So when someone says Mikhela uyisilwane, they are trying to tell you that you are unreachable. Do you understand? Like before, people cannot talk to you, right? You are fierce, uyesabeka. Angithi ngakho lawa yiwo amabala esiwasebenzisayo nxa sikhuluma ukuthi ngabantu abanjani. Ukhumbula ukuthi umuntu olonyawo uthanda ukuhamba, umuntu olesandla uyatshontsha, umuntu othwakala sifuba kagcini imfihlo, sithi thina cannot keep secrets. Umuntu oleminwe into yonke ayenzayo uyenza kuhle. When I said when you have a good handwriting, uleminwe, right? When you are a tailor, you have something that you are knitting for someone, and then you have your nice dress. You are a good tailor, uleminwe. Angithi bese sikhanyela futhi sithi umuntu oyimvu umuntu othuleyo, like a sheep, it's a quiet animal. Umuntu oyisilwane, it's a fierce person. Umuntu lo uyesabeka. Angithi siyaqhubeka njalo sithe siyenza impindamuva, we are revising. Sesisiya kuphikisa lapha, opposites. In English we call them opposites. Ukuphikisa, opposites, right? All right. So I have opposites. My first word is umanzi. Umanzi. Mikhela, something else imanzi is wet, right? Umanzi, it's wet. So what is the opposite of something that is wet in English? So that I can translate it to you in Ndebele. When we say something is wet, what is the opposite of something that is wet?
Something that's dry.
Dry, right? When something is wet, we say umanzi. The opposite of wet is dry. The word dry in Ndebele is komile. That is the opposite. Umanzi, komile. Did you get that? So the word dry in Ndebele is komile. You can take that down. So when we say lapha sikhuluma ngokuphikisa, remember ukuphikisa are opposites in English. Nxa siphikisa ibala elithi kumanzi, siphikisa sithi komile. Did you get that, Mikhela?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Elilandelayo uhlakaniphile. Can you write that down? Uhlakaniphile. Yilo ibala lami. Uhlakaniphile. That is my word. So we want to state what does it mean, and then we get the opposite. Uhlakaniphile. Do you know what it means? Ukuhlakanipha, Mikhela? Ukuhlakanipha, someone who is wise, you know, someone who is wise, someone who is brave, someone who is just wise, you know. Uhlakaniphile. Someone who is brave, someone who is wise. Uhlakaniphile. So when we see someone esithi uhlakaniphile, nxa sesisenza ukuphikisa, nxa ungahlakaniphanga kuthiwa uyisithutha. Uyisithutha. That is the opposite of uhlakaniphile. Uyisithutha. That is the opposite of uhlakaniphile. Did you get that, Mikhela?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. My next word is ulambile. 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 That is my word. Ulambile. Umuntu olambileyo is someone who is hungry. When you are someone who is hungry, ulambile. So if you are not hungry, what is the opposite in English? Yes, Mikhela?
Usuthi.
Usuthi. Good, Michaela. Usuthi. Well done. Ulambile usuthi. Good, good, Michaela. Usuthi. All right. Remember, we are still moving on with our revision. Khathesi sifuna ukwenza izenzukuthi. Izenzukuthi. So we'll be touching here, touching there, so that we keep on doing our revision. Next week we have our test, so we want to keep on doing our revision. Izenzukuthi. Izenzukuthi ngamabala amafitshane esiwasebenzisa ukugcizelela ulutho. Nxa singathi nke, angithi nke, chu, gebhu, izenzukuthi, angithi. Do you understand, Michaela? Yes. So what?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, when I say nke, what color will be that thing? When I say nke, what is the color? Yes, Michaela? Kumhlophe. Good. Kumhlophe nke. Angithi? Good. Angithi? Bese ngisiba lelinye ibala njalo chu. Ngesinye isenzo ukuthi sami chu. Uchu ngesinye isenzo ukuthi kunjena ukuthi kuyabe kunjani nxa sisithi chu. Chu. Sithe kumhlophe nke uchu. Yebo, Michaela?
Umnyama chu.
Umnyama chu. Good. Yikho sibili. Umnyama chu. Ah, Michaela, you are doing well. You are really doing well. I remember when we started, Michaela didn't know Ndebele. Now she's giving me answers. Good, Michaela, wenza kuhle. Sesihamba futhi, Michaela. Igazi libomvu. Dash. I have igazi. Igazi is blood, right? Libomvu. Dash. Libomvu njani? I have
Gebhu.
libomvu. Yes, Michaela?
Gebhu.
Gebhu. Yeah, libomvu gebhu. Yikho, Michaela. Igazi libomvu gebhu. Yebo, yikho, Michaela. Sengisiba lesinye isenzo ukuthi sami. Unmute yourself, Michaela. Unmute yourself so that you can talk. Yeah, so right. Yeah, so kuhle kathesi, Michaela. Siyaqhubeka njalo. Sithi ngile sinye njalo ngithi amanzi la aqanda dash. Water is cold. Aqanda njani? My answers, I have chu, I have more, I have ke. What is my answer? Amanzi la aqanda dash. I have chu, I have nke, I have more. Aqanda dash. Do you want to try, Michaela? Amanzi la aqanda. Yes, you can try.
Mo.
Aqanda mo, yeah. Amanzi la aqanda mo. Angithi, ngakho kumele ukhumbule ukuthi nxa kumnyama chu, kumhlophe nke, kubomvu gebhu. Angithi, kuqanda mo. Esinye njalo futhi, umbhida lo uluhlaza dash. Umbhida, you know kale, the vegetables that we eat that are grown in the garden. Uluhlaza
Yes, ma'am.
dash. Umbhida lo uluhlaza dash. Do you want to try? Do you need answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have more. I have chogo. I have da. Umbhida lo uluhlaza. Yes, Michaela. Uluhlaza.
Jogo.
Uluhlaza chogo. Yeah. Uluhlaza chogo. Yikho, Michaela. Oh, Michaela is doing well. If you were here, Michaela was going to buy you a pizza. Definitely. For what you are doing. Umbhida lo uluhlaza chogo. You are doing well. You are doing very well. My last one. Insimbi le iqonde dash. Insimbi le iqonde dash. It's very straight. Iqonde dash. You need answers? Okay. I have nta. I have more. I have sobe. Iqonde dash. Insimbi le iqonde. Straight. Something that is very straight. Something straight. Uqonde. You can try. Yes, you can. Don't worry. You can try. Yes, Michaela. Uqonde.
Da.
Uqonde nta. Yeah, for Michaela. Uqonde nta. insimbi le iqonde angithi ye yikho khonokha okokugcina igundwane isileyi sigcobe igundwane lahle lathi dash igundwane is mouse, right? When the mouse dashes into its small, you know, it always has a small hole by the corner there of the house where it stays, and it goes right into the corner there. What do we call that? Igundwane. Isileyi sigcobe igundwane lahle lathi labaleka lathi dash. Anti isileyi besifuna ukugcoba igundwane lahle labaleka lathi dash lingena emlindini. Nta mo sobe chu. Igundwane libaleke langena emlindini lathi yebo Michaela.
Sobe.
Sobe, usobe simsebenzisa nxa sikhuluma ngani ngegundwane ye bese sisiba lapha ke sesifuna ukuya kuzaga. We are left with 1 minute. I want you to fill in uqedise isaga sami lesi. Izandla ziya isaga leso. Izandla ziya. Do you need answers? Okay. Ngomopho gezana. Izandla ziya dish. Ngomopho gezana. Izandla ziya. Yes, Michaela. Izandla ziya.
Ngezandla.
Izandla ziyagezana, right? Izandla ziyagezana. Yeah, meaning that when you help me, I help you, right? When someone helps you, you also have to help them in return. Just like when we wash our hands, these days we have coronavirus. You cannot wash one hand. You have to wash both hands. Izandla ziyamele zigezana. Ngithi, you wash your hands together. I have Najut is with us, she's a nurse. She knows that when you're washing, you have to wash your hands. Izandla kumele zigezana. Ngithi, izandla ziyagezana. Michaela, thank you so much for joining me for today's Ndebele lesson. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Thank you for participating. Well done, Michaela. Michaela wenze kuhle kakhulu. Bafundi, ngiyathemba ukuthi likholisile. Sibonga lo na Judy uba khona namhlanje. Siyabonga na Judy uba khona. Sibonge kakhulu ye. Bye Michaela. See you again tomorrow. 11:30 again. Not good. Bye.
This was a nice lesson. You want to join us next time?